Hello students, my name is Vincy and I'll be teaching you all computer today. So as we have learned our first chapter, we are going to start with our second chapter, what is internet and what are the uses of internet. So students, we are going to learn about what is internet. Now students, there are many applications and browser where you can learn what is internet. So we are going to learn when you open about internet. So I'm going to open Google Chrome. To open Google Chrome, you should have your Wi-Fi connected, or else your mobile data should be, your computer should be connected to any internet. So now as I've opened the Google, the first thing that comes on your screen when you open Google, it's called as your home page. What it is called as your? Now this page is called as my home page. Now over here above, it is called as your address bar. What it is called? Address bar. Now if I type the address, now if I want to go to Google, I want to go to YouTube. So what I'll do, I'll type the address for YouTube. So what I'll type, www.youtube.com. So I have typed the address and now opened. Put the address on the address bar over here. You have to put the address over here only. That is called, now the thing is called as a link. What it is called? A link. If you get any link, you can copy that link and you can put it over here. You can type the link over here and the particular page will get open. Now I have put the link of the YouTube, which is called as the address. I have put the address of the YouTube and my YouTube has got opened. Now the next is, I want to go back to my Google page. I want to go back to my Google page. So what I'll do, everyone can see this button over here. So I'll click on back, the arrow which is going back, and I will come back to my home page again. I'll come back to Google again. Now I have to go back to YouTube again. I have to go to YouTube again. So what I will press this forward button. This is my back button and this is my forward button. So whatever page I had opened, the next page will get open. Understood everyone? How to kill a link on the address bar? You have to type, and this is the back and the forward button. Okay. Now, as I have come to my Google page, as I have come to my home page again, so what I'll do, now I have to download. You all are going to learn how to download pics from Google. So pay attention how to download. Now suppose I'll click, I have to search any pic. So I will search for roses. Pics roses. So as I have searched for roses, the pics for roses. So what I will get different types of pictures of rose over here. Yes, on different types of pictures. So I will go to images over here. Everyone can see images? Yes, I will go to images over here. After clicking on images, you will get all different kind of images over here of roses. You will get over here, if you want it for wallpaper, you can click for if you want any color, you can get pink, red, white, or any color rose you want. So if I want to click any picture from this, with the help of scroller, I will go down. So I have different types of roses picture. So I want to download a particular picture. Now how to download a picture? So I will select a picture from here. I will select this picture. I have selected the particular picture. The particular picture has become big. So now as the picture has become big, I will come on the picture and I will click on the right button on the mouse. Right button of the mouse. Yes, and I'll click on save image as. Everyone can see save image as. So I will click on save image as. And then after clicking on save image as, here you will go to downloads. So whatever you have downloaded, it will go to downloads. From here, you will change the name. So I will name as Red Roses. I have named the file name Red Roses, and from here, save. My picture is getting downloaded over here. See over here, down. You can picture is getting downloaded, and my picture has gone downloaded. Everyone learned how to download a picture. I'm explaining you all again. Choose any picture from here. Choose any picture from here. After choosing the picture, what you're going to do? On the mouse, you're going to click on which button? Right button. Very good. You're going to click on right button. After clicking on right button, where you're going to go? You're going to go on save image as. Click on save image as. After clicking on save image, you will get a box will get open, and then you will go to downloads. Click on downloads. From here, you can change the name. You can put any name, and you can click on save. So I have saved the particular picture over here. See, you can see Red Roses. It has been saved it has been downloaded in my computer. So everyone understood how to download the picture. Everyone understood how to use Google. There are many other ways you can use Google. Many other ways you can use internet. But these are the main things you all can do on internet. Now, how to go back to my Google page? From over here, you can click the back button from here. So if I click, I will come to my Google page again. So everyone understood how to, this is called as your address bar. This is called as your search bar, where you type and you search anything you want. Now these are the shortcut buttons. These are the shortcut buttons which I open every day. Now YouTube, mail, there are different kind of apps. Now suppose I open YouTube every day and I don't want to type over here YouTube and then the YouTube will get open. I want it as my shortcut. So from here you can add shortcuts. You can see over your option. So if you click on add shortcuts, you will add the particular shortcut over here. Understood everyone? This is the address bar, back button, forward button, the search button, search bar. Everyone understood what is internet? So now we are going to learn uses of internet. Uses of internet. Internet, network of computers. A computer network is an interconnection of various systems located at different places. A network of computers may consist of two or more computers. Now the internet which is in the computer is an interconnection, means it joins both the computers or many more computers together. Next we are going to learn uses of internet. The first one is searching. You can get information of any subject. There are various websites available to get information about particular subject. Now if I give you all a topic about search about parts of computers. Now what you all will do, you all will go on the internet and you will type parts of computers. So that is called as searching. So first one is we are learning as searching. Now the second one is online education. You can study online with the help of e-learning websites. Nowadays, as all the students are sitting home, so what we are doing, we are learning from internet. We are learning through internet. So it is called as e-learning. Nowadays there are many websites available. Nowadays there are many apps available. So we are learning through YouTube. So there are many other apps and websites available. Next is shopping. You can also do a lot of shopping on internet, buy or sell products on the internet. Nowadays you can't move out of the house for shopping, so you can order anything from online, which is through apps like Amazon, Flipkart. Then nowadays there are many other apps where you can buy or sell. You can buy also or sell also the products. So it is called as shopping. Next is the reading newspapers online. You can read the latest and old news by browsing newspaper websites. Now if you want to search an old news, so you can go on the particular website and you can find out the old news through internet. If you want the latest news, if you want to know the current situation, what is going on in India, so you can also go to particular website and then you can search for the latest news. Now the next is playing online games. You can play free interesting online games. Nowadays everyone is sitting home, everyone is bored, so what you'll do on the computer you'll have, or on the mobile, mobile is also a computer, so on the mobile you all can play a lot of games which are available free also on internet, or else you can download a particular app like Candy Crush. So you can download a particular app and you can play games on that. Next is watch online movies. Nowadays there are many websites available where you can watch free movies, and do some apps available where you have to pay to watch movies. Nowadays there are many apps available where you can also pay, like for monthly pack or yearly pack, where if you pay you can watch some latest movies, and there are many websites available where you can watch different kind of movies on internet. Next is communication. You can send or receive mail, graphics, sound and video anytime, anywhere. You can check your family members or friends residing away from you. Now you can't move out of, nowadays you can't move out of your house. So what nowadays we are doing? Video calling. We video calling our friends and families through internet. So internet also helps us to communication with each other. Next are browsers. A browser or a web browser is a software that allows a user to locate, access and display web pages. Most common web browsers are Internet Explorer, Google, Mozilla, Safari, etc. Now the pictures shown are called different kind of browsers which helps us in searching and also communicating, and also if you are given a particular topic, so you go to Google and search. So these browsers helps in searching also. So students, we learned our second chapter, what is internet and what are the uses of internet. I hope you all are taking care of yourself and being safe. Thank you.